Welcome back. In this video, we are going to be focusing on using the camera in Blender, taking pictures and moving the camera around and setting it up so it's easy to work with. All right, you probably noticed that when you set up your first Blender scene, you had this object. You had this object somewhere in the scene. This object is the camera. Here's the way the camera works. That's the camera, and this little dark arrow here tells you that the camera, that's the up direction of the camera. So when you look into it, you're sort of looking like that, right? And that's what it's going to see. How do you know what your camera is looking at? Well, there's a hotkey. You can press 0 on the number pad. Okay, not your keyboard and 0, but if you have the number pad. And that'll show you, if you keep toggling it, that'll show us what the camera can see. Now, obviously, you can move the camera. Oh, by the way, if you don't have the numpad, you can go View, Viewpoint, Camera. You'll see it lists the hotkey there, and that does the same thing, right? So, if you move the camera, GY, and then you look through it again, you're going to see that it's obviously looking at something different. Now, you can rotate it. Z, you can choose your axes, rotate the camera, move it back. But working with it like this, that's not good. Okay, that's a pretty awful way to have to move the camera and test what you're looking at. We're going to want to move the camera to take some pictures of your scene. So here's the easiest way to do it, and it involves a couple little clicks and clicks around. So here we go. With your camera selected, press N on the keyboard. N opens up and closes this little side panel. With the side panel open, go down to the View tab. And on this View tab, you're going to see that you have the most important camera option here, which is lock the camera to the view. And watch what this is going to do. Okay, I'm going to hit N and close that. When I lock the camera to the view and I press 0 now, and I look in and I see the camera, as I move the camera now, let's say I move the camera really far back, and let's say I use my controls and I get it like this, so I'm just looking dead straight, something like that. There we go. It doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm looking like that. When I press 0 and I go back out of this view, look at where the camera is. The camera has been moved automatically while I was forming that view. So the basic idea is when you have that setting on the N tab, View, Camera to View, when you have that set up, wherever you set your view, that's where the camera is going to go. And so you can see it's automatically moved the camera there. Super easy now to put the camera in the right spot. Now, as you do that, okay, and let's just go back there again, and I'll hit the N open again. This window size, some of you, it may be a little small. If it's a little small, uncheck for a second, and you can scroll with the wheel or make it bigger, and then re-click it on again and close the tab. And now you can see your window stays big. So this is great. This is a good way to move your camera, and you can see the camera moves. How do you get a picture out of the snow? Because for your assignment, we assume you have your snow person scene is basically set up and done now. What you're going to do is you're going to take 2-3 pictures, right, from different angles to show you've figured out how to move the camera around and make it work. So here's how you take a picture. First, you confirm you like what your camera's seen, and you go, yep, I like that. I want a picture. All you do is you go up here to Render, and you go Render, Image. And when you render the image, it's going to do its work. And that's really it. It should be pretty fast for you guys. And that's the picture. How do you save it? Go Image, Save. And you'll just be taken to your normal save menu. Pick a spot, pick a name, save the picture. And that's it. This little window, by the way, that it's opened, you see it's a separate window from Blender. So you can just shut that when you're done. And then what you do is you move the camera again. Remember, I still have it view tabbed, locked. And so I'm still controlling it. You can move it to some other cool location, get a shot of your scene, render, image. It's got the image, save it. Image, save. And there you go. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy, and it's a nice setup to the next video where we'll make a little animation with your camera of the scene.